can still recall actually the first day I came here. It was fantastic, because before when I said to people I was coming to Glasgow and everyone say everyone is so nice and the accent is beautiful and it was as they said. Everyone was very, very helpful with directions, with names of places, with shops, so everyone was very welcoming. I was the first to go to university in my family, so that meant a lot to me and it meant a lot to my family. And coming through into and then to GCU and graduate with a first class degree was very, very a big achievement for me and my family. Hippo Hedgehog Ltd, so that's the company name, and really our mission is to empower healthy communities around the world. So it was born out of my partner and I's 10 years experience in helping community projects, females mostly in Africa, in the Gambia, and it stems from that. So this business is to really give a minimum of 10% of profit to those projects for sustainable development around health, income and wealth. Our first product, which is biotic, has been very well received because of the health impact. So not just do we help communities in Africa, we want to create a product that will have a very positive impact on people's health in the UK and hopefully internationally soon. Some of the awards we've won have been the Virgin Media Tour in Glasgow, which gave us an opportunity to meet Isatou Branson, which we did a few weeks ago, and also Richard Reed of Innocent Drinks. So those were all fantastic achievements too, and really good experience. I think Into brings a lot of diverse students together, and for me now, being in an environment that brings different people, I'm working with different types of people, be it gender, race or language. What I've learned in Into has definitely helped a lot. Even the soft skills that I think are very, very important, especially when you're starting up a business. The resilience you need to keep going when there is no cash in the bank and when it's just you, and the cultural intelligence that you need to be working with different people from diverse backgrounds. GCU is a very diverse place, and I think you definitely underestimate when you are a student how much that would help going forward. Scotland and Glasgow are specifically a very good place to start your business. Everyone is just very willing to help you, and the support system around is great. So, and take advantage of your university. Like, I've started this business and so many things I wouldn't have been able to do without the support from GCU. They've been phenomenal in that journey.